What if seeing a social media post just a few milliseconds earlier could save your $1 million? And what if that post came directly from the President of the United States? That is the extraordinary debate unfolding on the Wall Street tonight. According to reports by the Financial Times, President Donald Trump's social media company, Trump's Media and Technology Group, has discussed charging traders and hedge funds as much as a 1 lakh USD a month for premium access to new services called Truth API. Now, this is not only about social media, it is about the speed. In today's financial markets, milliseconds can be worth millions. Want to know how? Well, the proposed Truth API would reportedly allow subscribers to receive Donald Trump's Truth social media posts slightly faster than general public. To another ordinary users, that difference may be impossible to notice. However, for algorithm traders and high-frequency trading firms, even the smallest head or maybe a head start can influence billion-dollar decisions. And that changes almost everything. Not for us, not for the layman, but for the high diplomats. Truth Social repeatedly moved in the financial markets, and when this administration paused Travis last year, he posted that a great time to buy. Shortly afterwards, the S&P 500 surged sharply. He has praised the major companies such as Nvidia and Apple, while his comments on geopolitical developments have influenced the oil prices and the investor sentiment. Moving on towards this news, when the markets react instantly on the presidential statements, early access becomes an extremely valuable asset. And that is exactly why reports suggest many social media firms may have been willing to pay such premium. But not everyone agrees with it. The proposal has reportedly sparked a criticism on the Wall Street. Some investors argue that the market-moving information linked to a sitting US president should not become a premium product available only to those who can afford it. Well, valid enough. That raises a much bigger question. Where should the line be drawn between the tech, politics, and the financial markets? A big question mark. Because the debate is no longer just about one platform. It is now about fairness, transparency, and equal access of the information. Trump's media reportedly plans of the offer services around the clock, giving institutional investors continuous access to the presidential posts. Whether the plan moves forward, well, it remains uncertain. But one thing is already clear. What is that thing? Well, in the modern financial markets, information is no longer just about power, it is becoming a product. And in the world where milliseconds can decide millions, the next big market, basically the move, may begin with nothing more than a single post.